What's up guys, Ameer here, and almost 1 month remaining, Samsung is gearing up to bring another S series premium phones. In the latest report, the real life of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus smartphones have been spotted, revealing the punch hole camera on the front. Some of previous reports hinted at a punch hole camera and the triple camera setup. Now some more images of the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus have leaked out, which shows the device in real life. The leaked images reveal both S10 and S10 Plus will have a triple camera setup on the rear side. Up front, Galaxy S10 will have a single punch hole camera towards the top right corner, while the Galaxy S10 Plus will come with a punch hole setup that houses two camera sensors on the front of the device. The images were leaked by a German website all about Samsung. By looking at the images, we can conclude that these are the prototype version of the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The leak also confirmed that the devices will feature a 3.5mm audio jack along with the USB Type-C port for connectivity at the bottom of the device. There is also a speaker grill on the bottom side of the phone to provide good quality sound. Coming to the bezels, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will be thinner at 7.5mm in comparison to 8.5mm, the thickness of the Galaxy S9 Plus. As per the new report, the Galaxy S10 Plus will include a 4100 mAh battery under the hood. Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite will be having 5.8 inches Super AMOLED display. Samsung Galaxy S10 will have 6.1 inches and Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will have 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display. At last, the leaked screenshots also shows that Samsung is working on Android Pie 9 based One UI, and the upcoming S series phones are likely to run on Android Pie out of the box. That's it. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Links are given below in description. Thank you. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Ameer out.